Thank you, Honourable Deputy Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member for the question. Madam Speaker, I am pleased to update the House on the successful 25 Pacific Tripartite Employment Conference, which was held from 1st to 4th September at the Crown Plaza, Wailoa in Nadi. Madam Deputy Speaker, first and foremost, I wish to sincerely acknowledge and thank the Honourable Prime Minister for graciously officiating this high-level event, which showcased Fiji's strong leadership and steadfast commitment to promoting decent work, social dialogue, and regional cooperation across the Pacific. Madam Deputy Speaker, the conference was hosted by Fiji government through my ministry in collaboration with the International Labour Organization, and it brought together Pacific ILO member states through the participation of labour ministers, senior labour officials, workers, and employers' representatives from across the Pacific, 9 Pacific Island nations, development partners, and other key stakeholders. Madam Deputy Speaker, the conference themed Designing for Disruption, Conference on Decent Work, Climate Change and Security, celebrating 50 years of ILO in the Pacific, provided a vital platform for governments, employers, and workers' organizations to come together and discuss key regional labor challenges, share best practices, and develop strategies to promote decent work, fair employment practices, and workplace resilience across the Pacific. Madam Deputy Speaker, the event also celebrated the ILO's 50 years of service in the Pacific, and I wish to extend my sincere gratitude to the ILO Office for the Pacific, which is based here in Suva, for their unwavering dedication over the past 50 years in advancing decent work, labour rights, and social justice. Madam Deputy Speaker, the conference provided a platform for delegates to discuss key labour and employment issues with international, regional, and national speakers sharing insights and best practices. Discussions focused on decent work and job creation, labour mobility, worker protection, workplace safety, gender equality, youth employment, policy alignment, and sustainable development, with special attention to emerging sectors such as the green economy, digital industries, and the blue economy. The event also emphasized capacity building and knowledge sharing, producing practical strategies and collaborative solutions to strengthen labour markets, improve worker welfare, and promote safe, inclusive, and sustainable employment across the Pacific. Madam Deputy Speaker, at the conference, a special separate session was organized for labour ministers for their support and endorsement of the establishment of the Pacific Senior Labour Officials Forum, and mandated labour ministries to nominate senior representatives aligned and guide the forum with the 2050 Blue Pacific Strategy, supported by Fiji, convening a role of the convening the inaugural meeting. Madam Deputy Speaker, the outcome of the Labour Ministers' meeting was conveyed to the employers' organizations through the Pacific Island Private Sector Organization, that's PIPSO, and the workers' organization through the Pacific Island Council of Trade Unions, which is PIC2. They both participated actively in the whole conference. Madam Deputy Speaker, following the endorsement of the Pacific Tripartite members, the regional conference resolution and the outcome adopted at the conference has committed as follows. To the establishment of a Labour Ministers' meeting as an annual regional gathering recognizing under the Pacific Islands Forum architecture, to the establishment of the Senior Labour Officials Working Group and Talanoa Forum, and to the establishment of the enabling secretariat support of the Pacific Island Forum Secretariat. Madam Deputy Speaker, following the conference, the Ministry promptly communicated the resolution and outcome of the conference to the Honourable Prime Minister, who presented them at the Pacific Islands Forum meeting, which was held in the Solomon Islands in the second week of September, to form part of the PIF's regional review architecture. Madam Deputy Speaker, this also formed part of the communique to the other Pacific Island states, and the Honourable Prime Minister was supported by the Pacific Island leaders at the PIPS meeting. Madam Deputy Speaker, again, I wish to sincerely thank the Honourable Prime Minister as the head of the government for his support on this milestone achievement, as well as other Pacific Island leaders for their commitment towards decent work and social justice in the Pacific. This will also assist us in strengthening tripartism in the entire Pacific SIDS. Madam Deputy Speaker, the conference not only endorsed the resolution of the key outcomes, but also marked Fiji's efforts to strengthen regional cooperation. Fiji has taken the initiative to pursue proposed bilateral partnerships with 3 Pacific Island countries to provide technical assistance on labor standards, occupational health and safety, workers' compensation, mediation, and productivity enhancement. Madam Deputy Speaker, my ministry will continue to work closely with our tripartite partners and regional counterparts to implement the Employment Conference resolution and outcome and align it to the relevant sustainable development goals and the ILO decent work agenda. I thank you, Madam Deputy Speaker.